Now, the succession politics of President Uhuru Kenyatta seems to have divided Mount Kenya region even further, with politicians forming different alliances ahead of the 2022 general election. While one camp supports the presidential ambitions of the Deputy President, Dr. William Ruto, others support President Uhuru Kenyatta, whose political ties with opposition chief Raila Odinga are strengthening by the day under the Handshake Initiative. But as our senior political affairs reporter Chris Thairo now tells us, the political differences are fast degenerating into violence, with rival camps clashing at meetings attended by the Deputy President.
The drama and chaos that rocked an event attended by the Deputy President in Kandara constituency, Murang'a County, last week, after some locals supporting the presidential ambitions of the Deputy President heckled Murang'a Governor Mwangi wa Iria, who is believed to have aligned himself with the President and the BBI initiative. A clear indication that the Mount Kenya region remains divided as far as the question on whether the region will support the Deputy President to occupy the House on the Hill come 2022.
It's only in Mount Kenya whereby we have the Tanga formation and Kieleweke formation. It is only in Mount Kenya where we have the Inua Mama and the Embrace team. And it is only in Mount Kenya whereby when the rest of the country is united as a region to put forward their issues to the BBI team. It's only in Mount Kenya where you found that there were splinter groups.
So we should feel ashamed about our kind of behavior. It portrays very badly, and I want to caution my people that this is actually means the meat for your enemies. Your political enemies now must be smiling, looking the other way and saying, we wish this kind of division continues.
Although President Uhuru Kenyatta remains the region's political kingpin, he has been facing resistance from a section of the locals and leaders supporting the Deputy President since the March 9th handshake with opposition chief Raila Odinga.
Nyinyi akina Murave, akina Atwoli, stop cheating Raila Odinga. Raila Odinga is unacceptable to the people of Central Kenya, come rain, come shine. Hiyo ni maneno yamezekani.
There are attempts to divide the mountain. Because if the mountain is divided, then definitely there are people who are going to benefit elsewhere. So all these are options, and they are being perpetuated. One, by the most visible person, who is the Deputy President. And he has not shied away in saying that he would want to inherit the seat occupied right now by the President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta.
Hakuna system na deep seats kuliko ile ilikuwa na Goliath.
There has been talk from President Uhuru Kenyatta's allies that at his age, which will be 61 years when leaving office in 2022, is still young to leave active politics. Those who support Ruto feel that the theory will shortchange the presidential ambitions of the Deputy President, and that it will be betrayal of the President not support William Ruto.
If it was not for William Samoei Ruto, mbele ya Mungu, Uhuru Kenyatta will not be president today.
Unless there are two centers of power in the mountain, which we don't have, there is only one center of power in the mountain, in the name of His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta. There can never be division in Mount Kenya.
And I want to say this is the most unfortunate thing that could happen. And it is unfortunate our region, our community has paid a price, and we could pay a bigger price if we continue the way we are.
Although voters in Mount Kenya region have been divided previously when supporting two presidential candidates from the region, that is in the 90s between the late Kenneth Njindo Matiba and former retired President Mwai Kibaki, and in 2002 between the current President Uhuru Kenyatta and Mwai Kibaki. This time round, the differences seem to be vicious and nasty, noting that no one from the region has declared his or her presidential ambitions.
I am the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, elected by the people of Kenya. And I have no apologies to make to anybody.
During the recently BBI rally in Meru County, where the Mount Kenya region presented their views, a section of leaders stormed out with supporters, a clear indication that the region is also divided on whether to support the initiative or not. As politicians from the Mount Kenya region continue to realign themselves with the different political players in the country ahead of the 2022 general election, it is not in doubt that the scramble for the over 6 million votes in Mount Kenya region will leave the region more divided than ever. Chris Dairu, KTN News in Nairobi.
Now, there seems to be a plot